Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 1st of March, Friday. And today the markets did gap down a little bit, run a little lower only to find a bottom and just buy up very aggressively. Something I wasn't really expecting since the past few days have been, very large market moving days. So we did play it a little bit conservative today. Still made some pretty good, some decent points. Made 6 points on 4 trades, so not too shabby at all. Our first trade, we grabbed a long over here and rode that up a little bit. Took some quick profits in, and then kind of just watched the markets from there. And we watched them move lower, and we took a short over here and rode that down. Thought it would go down a little more, but when it started coming back, we got out at break even. Then over here we got long, rode that up a little bit, took some quick profits. The selling was quickly evaded once we got down here, bought right back up, and we flipped it into a long over here and took some quick profits again. The market did come up, and then it sold off into the 12 o'clock period, and right at 12 it just started buying up again very, very aggressively. So played it conservatively, tried to take minimal trades. Still came out with 6 points. Definitely not too bad. If you're looking at it, $50 a point, 6 points, you're looking at $300. So definitely not too bad at all, especially for a Friday. And that's what I try to do. If I don't really have a good feeling for the market, I'll try to play a little more conservatively. And you see the market, because it had a gap down, it was selling down, it started buying up, and it had these little dips, but it still did buy up pretty well. And the market's always going to do whatever it wants to do. It doesn't matter what we think it's going to do. We were short here, but we protected ourselves, so that way we did stop out at break even when the market did come back up. And then we flipped to the long side. I was thinking that the market was not going to be as strong as it was today, and that's just a good sign. It doesn't matter what any biases you might have about the market. You might think the market's going to do something, but you have to be able to trade whatever it does rather than what you think it's going to do. And that's a thing that a lot of new traders have a hard time doing. So anyway, hope you got something out of today, and with that, have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.